Hello guys, so today wait, my bad. I'm gonna be showing you the OP tech of Kunigami, It's like on Blue Lock Rival. So wait, hold up. I just did a video, but there were like no sounds, there were no sounds of me, bro. Oh, what you want? Yeah. Hey, what the? That was my little brother, bros. I'm from Philippines, by the way. That was my kapatid. Kapatid means cousin. I mean brother. I don't know, bro. But so what? Oh, okay. So guys, look. This is the OP tech from like Blue Lock Rivals. Where you like unshift lock and just like do power shot, or a character that has a power shot skill can do this. It can like do it. You know the oh my god, so loud, bro. And I can do like super curve. It's like super curve. Look, I'm gonna show you guys. Today I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you how what it is. So like you like need to shift lock, and pretend and like do this. Pretend there's the dot right here, right there. Pretend there's the dot, and then just turn around or turn this or that way, and then just pretend there's the dot, and then click the shot skill just like this. Boom. See? Looks so good. I use this all the time, I use this all the time. Even goalkeeper, bro. Even pro goalkeeper. I use this all the time, and it worked. It worked. I make them confused, bro. Like so confused. But if you do awaken, and do the Joker, it's not gonna work. Like look at this. I tried this. I tried this. Wait, forgot to introduce you. I did on purpose. It's my OP. I mean, it's my tech. It's my technique, I just did it on purpose. I was like right here, and then I was on shift lock, and then I click power shot. Then I forgot to shift lock, and then boom. And I like notice that how did it go on the goal if I was gonna go here. Okay, I did it on purpose, and then I used it again, and it worked. It worked all the time. But when you do this, it doesn't work. Yeah, it doesn't work. Look, see, it goes. I did this, but it didn't work. So don't do this. Don't do this. Like, oh, what is going on? Don't do this, cause like, it doesn't work because I just don't know why it doesn't work, bro. But it does work on power shot. Just like when you unshift lock, just unshift lock like this. Pretend there's a dot right here on your head, just like that. Pretend the dot is on your head. Then the dot is the head. I mean, the dot is the head, bro. I'm so sorry. Alright, the dot is the head like that, and then just shoot it. Bam. See? Pretend that the dot is the head, The dot is the head. Just like this. Alright. Just like this. Hold up. Just like this. This is how you do it. Look. Unshift lock. Pretend that's the dot on your head. And then just... Oh, wait. No way I missed, bro. Oh my god, no way I missed, bro. Nah, bro. I did this on some goalkeeper, and it worked. Just like this. Even you do this, it's like okay, you know, like okay, you know. And then you just they will think that it will go in here. They thought they will go like this way, but it do go on top, just like that. It's like so curved, you know. It's like so curved then Rin. It works on every character that has a shot skill, you know. Like this one, Kunigami, he has a shot kill, so this is just gonna work on every character that has a shot kill, even Isagi, bro. Isagi, it works. That if they have a shot kill on every character, like you're using Rin, yeah. If you're using Rin or Isagi or some character that has a shot kill, you can do this all the time. Bam. You can do this all the time. So yeah, you can like trick them by the by thinking they think like it was gonna go right here, or right there, you know. So yeah, this tech is OP, made by mine. It's made by me. I did on purpose, bro. Like I did. If you just search it, Kunigami OP tech and shift lock, it's just gonna be me, bro. It's me, bro. Why did I say that? Oh my god. I'm so sorry. Hold on. Hold on. Yeah. Okay. Just don't worry about what I said. Uh. Well, if you do shoot just like this and then bam, they will just know it because it's shotting is weaker, bro. When you like unshift lock and you shoot, they'll easily know. But when you do click a shot skill, just like this, and then bam, boom, it's like so good. It's so good to like do it. This is a OP tech built by me, bro. And then I literally uh go to a pro server and I did the tech and they said, but you Playbo, how is that? How did you do that tech? And I was like, it's made by me. I did it on purpose. And like, wait, yo, it's my friend, Zian. Yo, Zian. I'm recording right now. Oh, my bro. I'm recording right now, bro. It's made by me. And then they like said, can you teach me, bro? And I said, yeah. I just unshift lock and then like think that your head is the point. And then they did it. And when I was about to left, I checked the chat and they said, yo, this tech is so OP, bro. Like, dude, that was so OP, bro. That was even OP, bro. Like, that was OP. They like get confused where to like, just like gonna do, where like it's gonna go. Alright, guys, it's gonna be the end of the video. So yeah, I hope you did it. Okay, just make sure to like subscribe. It's my new channel. Yeah. So yeah, gonna made on my phone that my new channel is here. Like my new channel is gonna be here. I'm gonna upload every day in here. Gonna upload in here all day. Okay. Gonna upload on my cell phone. That my new account on my bio. So check. So I'm gonna put my old account on my bio, and my old account will put my name on the new account. Okay. Bye guys.